Hey, looks like we're both headed to France.
That's right. First time there?
Yeah, I'm going to visit my sister. She lives in Paris. I've never been there, so I'm pretty excited. What about you?
I'm actually going to visit my parents. They've been living in France for about 10 years now, so it's kind of like a second home to me. But still, I never get tired of it.
Wow, 10 years. That's a long time. I can imagine how used to it you are by now.
For sure. But Paris still surprises me every time I go. There's always something new to see. You're going to love it.
I've always wanted to go. What do you recommend doing there? I've heard a lot about the Eiffel Tower.
Definitely, you can't miss the Eiffel Tower. It's such a symbol of the city. You should go up to the top, the view is incredible, especially at sunset. But if you want something a little quieter, the Luxembourg Gardens is perfect. It's a nice place to relax and just enjoy the atmosphere.
Sounds like a good spot to chill. I imagine the weather's different from Brazil though, right?
It really depends on the season, but yes, it can be chilly, especially in the winter. It's nothing like Sao Paulo. But even when it's cold, you can still enjoy a warm cup of soup à l'oignon onion soup. It's one of my favorite comfort foods.
Onion soup? That sounds interesting. I've never had that before.
It's delicious. The broth is rich and cheesy. You should definitely try it. And speaking of food, you can't leave without having a crepe. You'll see street vendors everywhere making them. They're usually filled with chocolate, fruits, or even ham and cheese. You'll love it.
Chocolate crepe sounds amazing. So, I should definitely go for a crepe when I'm there. What else?
You definitely have to visit the Louvre. It's one of the most famous museums in the world, so I'm sure you've heard of it. It's huge, so it can take a while to see everything, but if you're into art, it's totally worth the time. You could easily spend a whole day there.
I've definitely heard of the Louvre. This one sounds like it's something special. It sounds huge and full of history. I've been focused on other big tourist spots, like the Arc de Triomphe in Versailles, but I'll definitely make time for the Louvre.
The Arc de Triomphe is an iconic place, and Versailles is just breathtaking. The palace and the gardens are huge, so plan on spending a whole day there if you want to see everything. But if you're into history, the Pantheon is also amazing. It's got a lot of French history inside.
I'm a big history buff, so that sounds perfect. I'll definitely check that out. So, how's the food overall? I mean, besides crepes and soup?
Well, there are breads everywhere. They have some of the best baguettes and pain au chocolate you'll ever taste. And you can't forget about crème brûlée for dessert. It's the perfect mix of crunchy and creamy. I'm getting hungry just talking about it.
Now you're making me even more excited for the food. What else should I try while I'm there?
If you like cheese, try the camembert or brie. They're famous in France, and you'll find them at almost any local market. And if you're up for something sweet, a tarte tatin is a must-try. It's an upside-down caramelized apple tart. You'll love it.
Wow, I'm definitely going to eat well. I think I need to get ready to do a lot of walking and eating in Paris.
That's pretty much the plan. You'll walk a lot, but you'll also want to try all the pastries and desserts. But be prepared to do some shopping too, the boutiques there are amazing.
That sounds fun. I'm definitely not going to have any regrets when I come back. I can already tell. So, how do you manage with the language? Is it hard?
It's not too bad. Most people in Paris speak at least a little English, but learning some basic French phrases helps a lot. Like saying bonjour when you enter a store or merci when you leave. It's always appreciated.
I should probably start learning some phrases then. I know a little bit of French, but not enough to have a conversation.
It'll come to you once you're there. You'll pick up on it quickly. Plus, French people are really nice when you try to speak their language, even if it's just a little.
That's good to know. I'm really looking forward to this trip. It's my first time leaving Brazil, so I'm a little nervous, but mostly excited.
I totally get that. The first trip to Europe can feel overwhelming, but you'll have a great time. Just don't try to do everything in one day. Paris is a city you need to explore slowly, little by little. And take lots of pictures.
I'll definitely do that. I've been waiting to visit Paris for so long, and now that it's finally happening, I'm trying to take in all the info I can. Thanks for all the tips.
No problem. I'm sure you're going to have an amazing time. Don't forget to try all the food. And don't be afraid to get lost in the city. Sometimes that's how you find the best spots.
Great advice. I'm starting to feel like I'm ready to experience Paris. Thanks again, Anna. And good luck visiting your parents.
Thank you. Enjoy your trip, Pedro. I'm sure your sister will love showing you around. Have a great flight.